Hello guys, today our topic is how to write an essay. 然后我是高二班的陈俊普，我的组员有林凯恒。This page is our contents, and we're gonna talk about the steps of writing an essay in detailed.
We researched this issue because not studying in Department of Foreign Language, seldom do the college student in Taiwan write an essay or make a presentation in English. Therefore, if we study abroad as an exchange students, we will face such an embarrassing situation of having no ability to write an essay. So we decided to do this presentation, improve our language ability and also broaden our horizons. Then, what is essay? The definition of essay in Cambridge Dictionary: a short piece of writing on a particular subject, especially one done by students as part of the work for a course. For example, academic essay, the most complicated to write and understand. Argumentative essay, requiring students to investigate a topic, establish a position on the topic in a concise manner. Describing format usually divided into three steps: introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. And you should follow some standard guidelines, such as page headers containing the author's last name, page numbers, and essay title. How to cite your essay, and we choose APA format for example. The following conditions is the regulation you should obey. If you want your essay to get an A+, you should follow the rules on the list.
Here are the common areas, and the percentage in the pie chart is the information from foreign university surveys. So let's take a look at the first one, too many arguments. While your brain comes a lot of arguments, you cannot put all of them in your 5 paragraphs essay, cause it probably makes your essay look like a mess. What's even worse, the professor might not catch the main points of your essay and give you an A-. Next one is plagiarism. It's a general knowledge that copying someone's essay or theory without citing it will lead yourself to a legal dispute. To protect the intellectual property, you shouldn't copy the relative information without citing it. Well, the third one is confusing introduction or conclusion, using the example that is easy to understand and avoid utilizing the word that is too complicated. And move on to the next one, neglecting professor's instructions. If you don't even follow the exact instructions of what your professor requires you to do, why should the professor need to take a brief look at your essay? Finally, the last one is grammar errors, which is the most errors that most of the students will make. You should double check before you send it to professors. And the most important part before writing is to brainstorm. The definition of brainstorm is to suggest a lot of ideas for future activity very quickly, before considering some of them carefully. What you can do first is to discuss the details with your teammates, then analyzing details and begin to draw a mind map. Here's our mind map, and our essay topic is should euthanasia be legalized in Taiwan? In the beginning, we've made lots of discussions about the different formats of the essay. We identified that utilizing whole English to make a perfect presentation is such a difficulty. Due to my former experience, I have the concept of making essays and presentations so that we can handle this hard work. It's a shame that we don't have ample time to make our own essay. Fortunately, we assume the situation of the trouble while being an exchange student in the foreign countries. Additionally, we also acquire the evaluative standards while professors browse your essay. I used to finish the reports by myself, but this time, working with teammates makes me having few strains. So, it's the most vital thing that I learned after this report. And also, again, the abilities of searching English literature, because most of the students search the literature from Wikipedia and translate into English. These may result in having lots of grammar errors. Therefore, we look up the English literature directly to apply in our report.
Initially, when we resolved to use full English to make this report, we have already known that we will face plenty of challenges in our process, such as how to use easy words to explain complicated definitions. Even for encountering numerous obstacles, we still tackle all of them by means of efficient discussion and accurate research directions. However, it's a pity that we didn't have adequate time to write our own essay, lose a chance to practice application of our theory. But fortunately, in the process of doing this report, enhance my English ability makes me have more confidence and experience to confront any challenge in the future. For this experience, I learned analyze and statistic ability. On account of this is my first time to do so complicated and professional thing. Originally, I couldn't deal with so large quantity of material. Nevertheless, I learned by doing and getting better. I'm so appreciative that I had this chance to upgrading myself. On the other hand, hope all of this experience will come in handy one day. Things we can do better. Distribute our time preciously. We made too many discussion and such information to finish our report, so that we don't have ample time to write an essay. Problems we made, the evaluative standard of the proposal. Solution, ask our teacher studying abroad and ask the foreign teacher. Start to write your own essay. First step, discuss with your teammate, and then decide your essay topic. After that, brainstorm and make a mind map. Next, start to write your essay. Final step, repeatedly check your essay.
And this is our reference. Our presentation is almost done. Thanks for watching.